In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable vacation mode in TikTok Shop Seller Center. This is a handy feature that lets you temporarily pause new orders while you're away, so let's dive right in and explore each step with clarity and ease. To begin, we need to log into the TikTok Shop Seller Center, open up your web browser, and go to the official TikTok Shop Seller Center website. Once you're there, look for the sign-in option if you're not already logged in. Use your TikTok account credentials to access your seller account. This is your one-stop hub for managing everything related to your TikTok shop, from checking orders to updating product listings. With your account open, our next priority is to access the shop settings, which is where all these incredible tools reside. Look over to the left-hand menu. You should see a set of options listed there. Click on Settings and then select Shop Settings from the drop-down menu. This area is like your control panel, and from here, you can tweak various configurations to ensure your shop runs smoothly, or in our case, takes a little breather. Now we arrive at the crucial part, enabling vacation mode. Scroll through your shop settings until you find the section labeled Vacation Mode. This feature is perfect for when you need some time off but want to keep your business presence intact. Once you've located it, simply toggle the Enable Vacation Mode switch to the On position. You're in control of your schedule, so customize it by setting the start and end dates for your break. This way you can make sure your shop reflects your availability accurately. Once the dates are set, it's time to confirm these changes. Be sure to click on the Save button to activate Vacation Mode officially. By doing so, your TikTok shop will automatically pause new orders at the specified start time, ensuring that you won't have any new transactions to worry about during your absence. Before you finish up, let's talk about communication with your customers. Although it's optional, it can be beneficial to update your shop banner or description to inform customers about your upcoming break. A simple note can go a long way in managing expectations and maintaining good customer relationships. Furthermore, make sure to respond to any pending orders promptly before starting vacation mode. This ensures that everything is wrapped up nicely and no customer feels left in the dark. There you have it, a complete guide to setting up vacation mode in TikTok Shop Seller Center. It's all about taking that necessary time off while keeping your shop ready to bounce back when you return. Thanks for watching, and happy selling when you're back.